Hello guys, good day. This is Ferdy and welcome to the vlog. In this episode, mag-chill lang tayo ngayon sa Nagoya and we have a collaboration with the YouTuber Mad Corner and hinihintay lang natin siya. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a pair of sneakers by 1K subs. And having said that guys, let's get back to the video. So, ang ipapag-giveaway pala natin is the Supreme in collaboration with Nike Air Force 1 Mid. And naghihintay lang tayo ng 1K subs. So, kung hindi pa nakasubscribe yung mga kakilala nyo, please tell them para mag-start na yung giveaway, no? Well, dinala ko muna dito si Mad Corner sa Sneaker Dunk and let's check what they have inside. Yung mga pinakabago nila dito. So, of course, nandito yung ating suot ngayon which is the Jordan in collaboration with Supreme. There you go. Yung olive and yung black. And they also have this one. So, released last week. And collaboration with Stussy. So, they still have the accessories. Ayan. Dito tayo mag-start sa Jordan wall nila. And ang dami-dami ditong mga Jordan 1s. Just like this one. Ayan. Parang color ng Wu-Tang. And ito, yung suot-suot natin ngayon. Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined. Ayan. Saktong-sakto. Napakagandang release ngayong year. And also, this section consists of SB Dunks and also Off-White din. Ayan. May Supreme din kagaya niyan. Sobrang taas. And ito yung pinakabago natin na nakita dito sa Sneaker Dunk. Nigo in collaboration with Nike. Nike Air Force 3 pala ito. And meron din siyang Japan exclusive. If you want that, please message me na lang. Ayan. Bagong-bago pa. Basta kami mag-collaborate ni Mad Corner and nakipag-usap na rin tayo dun sa mga store manager para i-allow siya mag-video. And ngayon naman, dito na tayo sa ABC Mart Grand Stage and tingnan natin kung ano yung magandang stock nila sa loob. So here we are inside and ito yung mga bago nilang sweater. Ayan. So they also have the Shearling sweater. Reversible pala yan. And this is the newest release for Nocta in collaboration with Drake and Nike. On this side, there's a lot of Timberland boots. And may mga sale din na Nike dito. Ayan. Air Maxes, Vomeros, Cortez Air Force 1s. On this side is the Jordan brand section. Jordan 1s, low, mids, and highs, as you can see there. Jordan 3, of course. So it says here, limited to 1 pair per 1 customer. So, ayan yung mga hottest release nila for this store. Apparels, Adidas. Well, that's what they have in the first floor. And ngayon naman pupunta tayo sa taas. Dito naman sa second floor, meron tayong mga made in Japan na Converse. Ayan. Medyo may kamahalan lang siya kaysa dun sa mga binibenta sa Pinas and sa US. Kasi made in Japan. Pero mas matibay. And ito yung iba nilang selections. May 1-star leather version at kung ano-ano pa dyan. Meron din tayong Vans. Horsehair material. Tapos leather yung kanyang mudguard. Ang cool, no? Yan. Mga affordable na pairs. Ito rin, loafers. Vans loafers. Sabi nung nag-order sa akin nito, before pa ako mag-YouTube, Japan exclusive daw siya. And parang dito ko nga lang nakita itong pair na ito. Napakaganda ng mga loafers nila. Ayan yung Vans. And may nakita tayo dito na napakagandang rose na Converse. Ayan, embroidered yung rose niya. Cool. Chuck Taylor All-Star. And meron din sila ditong ibang version. Yung cork.
Ayan. Parang masisira agad siya pag naulanan. Pero makikita nyo naman, ayan yung price. Napakamura. Napakagandang quality ng Converse. And dito naman sa New Balance section, ito yung mga bago nila. Ayan, may mga Mocha colorway na 2002R. This one, the 998s. And ito pang mga ito, 1960s. 2002Rs again, 1906U. 1906Rs. Ayan.
Well, that's what their selection is inside. And ngayon naman pupunta na tayo ng bahay para i-unveil yung order natin for today. Hello guys, we're back at my house and I just want to share my experience with Mad Corner. And for me, the guy is very approachable. And grabe, napakahirap ng ginagawa niya kasi he needs to have funds for travel. So, I'll suggest na isupport niyo yung channel niya. Maglalagay na lang ako ng link sa baba para makita niyo rin yung channel niya. So, it's Mad Corner. Just type it in. And yung videos niya about sa mga thrift shops dito sa Japan or charity stores and travel vlogs. So, enjoyable yung content kasi ang galing niya edit. And of course, yung kasing ginagawa niya sa job niya, nag-edit siya. So, for me, pasensya na kung hindi ako ganung kagaling mag-edit. I'm just an amateur dito sa YouTube. So, kung meron akong extra funds, I'll hire an editor. Kasi kailangan din sa vlog. Ang hirap kasi mag-work. Pagsabayin yung work, yung life, and yung hook ng mga items. Kasi, ayun, napaka-time consuming, energy consuming, lahat. Especially money. Napakalaking pera din yung ginagastos natin dito sa vlog na to. So, ayun. Kindly support him and of course, subscribe din kayo sa kanya. Ngayon naman, i-unveil ko yung orders. So, first and foremost, we have here a human-made shirt for Sir Jason. And this came from the retail store of Human Made. Dun sa online shop pala nila. So, i-unveil ko lang. This is a white 2XL and ito yung kanyang design. So, nakalagay dyan sa harap is Human Made. And dito sa likod yung kanyang logo. And ayan yung tag. Stitch dun sa neck area. So, ito naman is a shirt from Jordan brand. This is for Sir Don Don. Ang size nito, check lang natin muna. Size large. Ayan. So, Luca shirt. Yung nakalagay. Ayan. So, nandiyan yung kanyang name sa likod. Ayan. So, maraming salamat kay Sir Don Don. So, of course, nagpapa-pre-order din tayo ng watch. And this time, we have a watch from United Arrows. And this is for Sir Kurt. So, ito ang kanyang retail price pala. 81,400 yen. And ito yung order ni Sir Kurt. This is a Larvi watch. Sobrang ganda ng aesthetic nito kasi para siyang abstract painting. And ito ang kanyang logo. Ayan. I-unbox lang natin. Unlike the other boxes that I've unveiled here in our vlog, ito medyo malaki siya. Tapos ganyan yung kanyang box. Parang sa Bapex na gaganyan yung box niya. Tapos may nakalagay ng Larvi doon. So inside the box, they have this one. Ayan. Maybe to extend the wrist strap. And meron din ditong envelope from Larvi. Parang authenticity tag niya. Ayan. So, lagay lang natin to dito. Meron pa siyang papel dito. Brochure. This is the instructions. Makita niyo yung design ng Larvi watch dyan. Pero, i-unveil na natin siya. So, ito na siya. So, the box is very durable. Ayan. So, that's the Larvi watch. Pakita ko lang sa inyo closely. All throughout the watch, naka-wrap siya ng plastic material. Ayan. So, kita niyo ba? Meron siyang parang sapphire color. Ayan. So, napakagandang watch. Tapos, dito pala sa likod, meron siyang nakalagay na branding Larvi. And, of course, yung branding niya dyan sa wristwatch. So, pwede naman natin siyang hawakan kasi encased siya with this plastic protection film. So, lagay lang natin dito and balik lang natin dun sa kanyang box. I just want to thank Sir Kurt for this and sa napakaganda niyang watch. And ayun, this is the end of the video. I just want to thank all of you guys for watching my videos and supporting me along the way, my clients, my friends, my family. And of course, kay Sir Miguel ng Mad Corner sa binigay niyang time to collaborate with us. Well, kinda. Kasi nahiya ako. Pero, ayun, my best friend, my wife, and this is Ferdy signing out. Bye-bye!